Ready? Start. A search conducted on the Indo-Nepal border led to recovery and seizure of 1,900 kg of charas from a Russian national who was arrested and later put on trial stop. The Sessions Court convicted and sentenced the accused to 10 years rigorous imprisonment for the offences punishable under sections 8, 20 and 23 of the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act 1985 and a fine of rupees 1 lakh with a default sentence of 6 months. Stop. The prosecution alleged that after entering the territory of India 15 meters from the border, pillar number 517/2 sub-pillar, the appellant herein was accosted and searched by a team of Sashastra Seema Bal. Stop. On detection of the contraband in his bag, a police team, which was also engaged along with the SSB team in the combined operation at the border, was summoned, after which the recovery was made and the criminal law put into motion. Stop. The accused, on the other hand, claimed that he was taken into custody on the previous day at the no man's land, and on his refusal to bribe the police, a false case was registered against him, and his pet dog accompanying him was also taken away by the police team. Stop. The High Court, on an appeal, affirmed the conviction and sentence handed down by the trial court, against which the present appeal is filed.